They're not the loudest in the room. They don't need to be, because when Canada moves, it moves with purpose, with focus, with integrity. No drama, no distractions, just quiet, consistent action. This is the Canadian mentality. Do the work, even when nobody's watching. In Canada, success doesn't start with noise. It starts with showing up every day. No excuses. Snowstorm? They still grind. Early mornings? No problem. Because consistency beats intensity. And real results don't need a spotlight. Stay humble, stay hungry. Canadians don't chase clout, they chase growth. You won't find them bragging on social media. You'll find them improving in silence. They don't talk about hard work, they just do it. Strong in unity, stronger in silence. In Canada, community matters. It's not just about self, it's about we. They lift each other, encourage each other. But when it's time to focus, they lock in. No distractions, no drama. Kind doesn't mean weak. Yes, Canadians are known for being polite, but don't mistake kindness for softness. Behind the smile is relentless discipline. Behind the calm is quiet fire. Respectful on the outside, ruthless on the inside. If you want to know how Canada wins, look beyond the headlines. Look at the work ethic, the humility, the consistency, the pride without arrogance. Share this if you believe in quiet work and loud results. Subscribe, show up, stay focused, build legacy. This is Canada. This is the Canadian mentality.